Okay, now we're multiplying complex numbers, and we do this kind of a similar pattern to what we've done when we're multiplying other types of numbers. Basically, this 4 here, this 4i, is going to be distributed to the 7 and to the 6i, so we're going to have to do it to both inside. So I take my 4i and I distribute it to the 7. 4i times 7 is going to give me 28i. Okay. Now then I take the 4i and I distribute it to the 6i, and that's going to yield me negative 24i squared. I times I gives me an I squared. And this is a key or a crucial component here. We've got to understand what I squared is. We have to remember that an I squared is equal to negative 1. Okay, I squared is essentially the square root of negative 1 times the square root of negative 1, which yields us negative 1. So that's a big thing that we've got to understand here. So that's important because we're going to take this here and we're going to plug that in right there. Instead of I squared, we're going to write it as negative 1. So let me rewrite this one. I'm going to go 28i minus 24. And instead of 24i squared, I know what I squared is. I know that I squared is negative 1. So I'm going to go negative 24 times negative 1. Now I have to simplify this. Negative 24 times negative 1 gives me a positive 24. So that will yield me a 28i plus 24. Now I have to write them in the correct order, and we need to remember that our number here, not the complex part, but just our number comes first. So we're just going to write that in front. 24 plus 28i.